promotional codes /filler/coupon discount codes. In today's world of online shopping, saving money has never been easier thanks to promotional codes and discount coupons. These little codes can make a big difference in your final payment total and are more accessible than you think. Don't forget to check out the links for the best promo codes and discounts available in the description and comments section of the video. And if you want to continue saving money with exclusive offers, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By signing up, you'll be the first to know about new coupons, promo codes, and special offers. Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button now and start saving. Step 1. Click the link in the description or comments. Step 2. Follow the step-by-step guide shown in the video and search for the offer or coupon you want. Step 3. Complete your purchase and choose your preferred payment method. Step 4. Everything is ready. Just wait for your product to arrive. Don't forget to check out the description below for links to some of the best promo codes and discounts available right now. Happy shopping!